Finally, the corona disaster has faded away. Well, I got off without fatal damage somehow. My name is Kasumi. I've worked for the listed company for 2 years. Now that the restrictions on going out have been lifted, I'm going to the office for work today for the first time in 3 months. Hi, Erika. Hi, Kasumi. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Somehow, the number of our colleagues decreased.
Glad to see you, everyone, after a long time. You know, our company is in the business on running events, so we've been heavily impacted by this corona shock. Therefore, we had terminated all the contracts with temporary employees while cutting regular employee salaries by 20%.
What a terrible company this is. Hey, I want to have a meeting with management.
Do you know what insolvency is? Company's net assets is the difference between its assets and its liabilities. When net assets become negative, the situation is called insolvency and listed companies are delisted due to stock exchange rules. If we pay all the salaries and office rents even though we don't make enough revenues, our business can end up being insolvent and be delisted.
So, what happens if our company is delisted?
Our stock price would drop down to almost zero right before delisting because shareholders would lose the opportunities to trade our stock. Besides, we could lose the trust from our business partners and face the difficulties to continue operations, resulting in bankruptcy.
We might be in a dangerous situation. We will return to normal business operation from now on, won't we?
Yes, but we will make radical changes to our business operation to prepare for next disaster.
What exactly will you do?
Management is committed to realize 3 types of transformations. First, I will cancel this office with expensive rent today, and as a principal, we will start working remotely.
Well, that's okay. I can accept this positively because I can attend telephone conferences while taking a bath. I did that too.
Next, half of our revenue will be from virtual event businesses so that customers can experience the events even if they are not at location in person. Actually, we just acquired a virtual reality technology company.
That sounds nice. Very futuristic. I think VR is better than watching concerts from a distance.
Yes, I'm aiming to get orders to broadcast the Olympic in 3D. Lastly, half of your salaries will be paid in live pay to promote cashlessness. Since cash are touched by various people, it can easily become a virus carrier.
It's good that our company practices new business style. I guess you just want to lower the expenses for the company.
No, I don't. Come on, let's catch up to recover the loss with the businesses.
Yeah,
I'm going to work hard remotely.
See you, Lieutenant. Bye.
You ladies, you need to help me organize the office.
Thank you for watching this video. Joanna Koike was in charge of narration. Even after the corona shock goes away, new work styles such as remote work and values should remain. What kind of post-corona world do you envision? Please write your feedback or next team request in the comment box. I love you who watched this video to the end. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.